Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Lovoo account. So if you've been using Lovoo for a certain while but no longer want to use it and want to permanently shut down your account, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step instruction. So for this, first of all, open up your Lovoo app on your mobile device and make sure that you're already logged into your account. As soon as you land on this page, you'll be able to see that on the bottom right corner there's a news section. Tap on it, head over to the upper left corner with the profile icon, and then on the upper right hand side you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. After tapping on the settings icon, you can see numerous options here. Amongst all the options under app settings, you can see my account. So tap on my account, and there you're able to see delete account as an option. Tap on delete account. And now they're going to ask you, why do you really want to leave Lovoo? So all you can do is you can tap on a particular reason. So here I'm just going to tap on a particular reason. Now it says here, if you're already sure that you want to delete your account, so tap on delete account. So what it says is you'll have to first of all confirm your email address. So tap on OK. So here, as you can see, I've already received an email from Lovoo, so I'm just going to open it and then tap on delete account. As soon as I tap on delete account, I'm now directed towards another web browser that will basically help me get confirmed that my account is underway deletion. So here it says your account has been deleted. So this is basically how it works. It's quite simple, and I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to delete your own account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to let us know in the comment section below, and also do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around next time.